The right therapy started at the right time can actually mold the child's future. We have been treating multiple kids with multiple types of developmental problems, be it ADHD, autism, language and communication problems, learning disabilities, intellectual disabilities, and so on. What we have understood is if the child with milder symptoms like mild autism, mild ADHD, mild language and communication delays, if the child comes as early as 2 to 3 years of age and we start the intervention, in a continuous therapy of 1 to 1.5 years, the child is able to discharge from the center. We have discharged almost 100 plus kids from the center who have come with multiple problems, and with a therapy, consistent therapy of 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years sometimes, have got discharged. Just to tell our first child, the child came to us at 3 years of age. He was having few words but no meaningful words or no meaningful communications. In a span of 1.5 years, when not even 1.5, 1 year, 2 months, when he actually became around 4 years, 3 months, he was in junior KG during that time. During that time, we were able to discharge the child with a complete communication, making stories, telling stories, describing what happened in school, good in studies, competing in gymnastics and competing in skating competition, and is doing absolutely fine now. He is now around 6 years of age and no complaints and doing very well in school. So, early intervention, right therapy can actually help you to make your child independent and not require therapies in future. Thank you.